Thank you for staying with us. You're watching TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz, the second match in round 2. And we have Spalding on 10 and Hopewell on 28. Now this is time for the final challenge where questions are thrown open to both teams. First one pressing the buzzer earns the right to answer after the school has been identified. They will earn 2 points for each correct answer but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. Teams, we start off with social studies, so good luck to you. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Sir Florizel Glassfold, former Governor General of Jamaica. Sports, what is the nationality of the Caribbean cricketer Marlon Samuels? That's Hopewell.
Jamaican. Jamaican.
Correct. Bible knowledge, which book of the Bible comes immediately after Micah? That's Spalding.
Matthew.
Matthew.
Incorrect, it's Nahum. Science, which gas is expelled from the body during respiration? That's Spalding.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Correct. English language, spell the homonyms which mean bad or unpleasant and referring to birds like chickens. Foul, F-O-U-L, and foul, F-O-W-L. Music. Give the next line from the Jamaican folk song. Before me married, that's the name of the song. Now the line, before me married and go hug up mango tree. Me will live so, me won. Jamaican affairs. What is the correct name of the Jamaican actor who is fondly called Maffy? That's Valere Johnson. Television is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person. That's actor Anthony Mackie. Mathematics, giving your answer as a fraction reduced to its lowest term. What is the product of 7/8 and 3/4? Hopewell?
3/7.
Incorrect, it's 21/32. Social studies, the Pedro keys are That's Hopewell.
8.
The Pedro keys are considered a part of which parish in Jamaica? That would be Kingston. Television, Libby, Sheen, and Cindy are central characters in which cartoons? That's Hopewell.
Rugrats. Jimmy Neutron. Rugrats.
Jimmy Neutron.
Cartoon series, that is correct. Sports, this is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person. That's Michael Frater, former Jamaican athlete. Bible knowledge. What was the profession of the disciple who wrote the book of Acts of the Apostles? Spalding?
Fisherman.
Incorrect, he was a physician or doctor. That's Luke. Science. Which word starting with H means a scientific theory made on the basis of limited evidence but which needs further investigation? Hypothesis. English language. Form an adjective from the word sarcasm. Spalding?
Sarcastic.
Sarcastic.
Correct. Music. Which former member of the Bob Marley background group, the I3s, recorded the single Electric Boogie? Marcia Griffiths. General knowledge. Brussels is the capital of which? That's Hopewell.
Belgium.
Belgium.
Which European country? Correct. Local affairs. Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced, and that is the bell, signaling the end of the match with Spalding on 10 and Hopewell on 30. So we say congratulations to Hopewell and well tried by Spalding. We go for a break, but when we come back, we wrap things up. Please stay with us.